Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Monday, February 8th, and these are your bell ringer problems. We've got problem number 1 through 4 today. So, problem number 1. Which digit is in the 10,000s place? In the 10,000s place. Mr. Webb has been reading thousands a lot lately. So, which digit's in the 10,000s place? Well, we can see here, we know there's a comma, so the next place is thousands. The 6 is in the 10,000s place, okay? So you can write that on the back as well, just to show your work. Number 2, draw a right triangle. And this is the key word here. They want you to draw a right triangle. So the triangle must have a right angle in it, one right angle. And there's only really a couple possible ways to do that. You can draw it straight up and down. You start out with an L. I like to put a box in my corner to show that that's a right triangle, and then you connect your two legs. You can also have it laying down, short end here, something like that, as long as you see that it has one right angle in it. Doesn't matter which way you draw it, as long as we can see that it has one right angle in it. That's a right triangle. Alright. Number 3, we need to look at 86 times 43. 86 times 43. You always line up your digits here and then start with your ones place. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. I'm done with my ones place, so I like to cross it out. You put a 0 as your placeholder. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32, 33, 34. And then we add them up. 8, 9, 6, 3. So we get 3,698. And then last but not least, they would like us to round $6.54 to the nearest dollar. Alright, so rounding money is very similar to rounding any other number or decimal. So we've got $6.54, which can also be looked at as 6 and 54 hundredths. So we're rounding to the nearest dollar. So I underline my 6. I look at my next door number. It doesn't matter if it goes over the decimal. It's just the ability to see that it is the next door number. That 5 tells me I'm going to round up to the next dollar. So this would round to $7. Alright, and then our story problem of the day. Let me zoom in a little bit. Melanie charges $4 an hour to babysit. Which of the following shows a way of finding how many hours she must work to earn $64? And I actually would like you to solve this problem. So we know that if we want to figure out how much she must earn to earn $64, we're going to divide $64 by $4 to see how many hours that would take. So 64 divided by 4, and that would be A here. But I would like you to show your work as well. 4 goes into 6 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down that 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times, so it would take her 16 hours to earn $64. 16 hours. All right, folks. We've got a brand new week, and I'm going to call this hashtag midterm. We're about halfway through this 9 weeks. You're going to get your midterms at some point in time this week. So this is a time to kind of reflect on what we've done for the first half of this 9 weeks, and then start setting goals for the next half to try to finish out strong. We kind of had a rocky start, and we need to kind of find our pace so we can finish out strong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day.